This is a chicken that my daughter got from Popeyes at 85-15 Rockaway Beach Boulevard, Far Rockaway, New York, 11693. The phone number, which they never pick up, 718-945-2815. The chicken is rank. It's not fresh. It's old chicken. It tastes old. The oil must be old. The chicken wings look like they've been out there for weeks. The person that served my daughter, she was either Caucasian or Hispanic. She doesn't remember which one. It doesn't have her name on the receipt. Name on the receipt. And that's what they need to start doing. Putting the names on the receipt. Popeyes 5283. That's the Popeyes. It was today at 5:30. And this is what the results are. 5 dry, stale, nasty, disgusting chicken wings. I had to throw these chicken wings away. I have to throw them. They're not edible. And they cost $10 for 2 biscuits. She only asked for 4 wings, but the lady gave her 5 and charged her for it because she was a child. She's only 14. They take advantage of teenagers that come in there who don't check. This place is a horrible, horrible place. Their food is always stale. It's never fresh. They don't change their oil. It's oil for like 3 weeks. They use the same oil. And I hope someone sees this because I'm putting it on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Tumblr, all the social medias. This chicken stinks. It smells. It smells old. Very old. Whoever watches this, do not go to this restaurant. 85-15 Rockaway Beach Boulevard, Far Rockaway, New York, 11693. Again, do not go there. Go to the one. You have to pay $2.75 to get there, but it's well worth it. Their chicken is always fresh. Always fresh. So, you can either take my advice or get sick from this Popeyes. Your choice. I'm sending this to the health department as well. I should send the whole thing to the health department and let them taste it. Just got it at 5:30. Now 5:53. And this is the nasty. I didn't taste it, but I smell it. The oil is old. It tastes, I guess it tastes nasty. I'm going to taste a little bit of it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. They gave her no napkins or anything. They sort of, she was a child. Yuck. Gonna have to throw them away. I'm afraid to eat them. They're dry. They're disgusting. Disgusting chicken. Well, signing off.